Welcome to another day of Travel Adventures. Up, out, road. We have Capitally first, and then we head out. We go off the tree side. Drop off some key. See if we can get the VJ card still, and just do road. So, there in the Travel Adventures, rain have beat out the doors like the storm there, and we leave out. The place never did a rain, but now the rain start. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I need for. I don't know if I for cut back or what, but I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere and go and clutch. Hide my car somewhere, because you don't know we don't want to start washing our car, because we're not playing a washer game. If I start washing my car, you know, insurance now gonna say rain, you know. Now gonna say rain, so I'm gonna go hide it. Hide it. Rain a tear. I don't know what I'm going on adventures. But we still have to try to conquer we think them. Right, so with my job. Here I saw a sprinkler. Go over here computer and see if we can get the VJ cable. And maybe we can get some food too. I'm going to hold it. Link up with nobody who know and teach you when we stop at travel taxi. Upstairs you go up there so. Pay people over here so we're going to hold it the same way. I just get food over Pavilion and I consume it. Pavilion food expensive. I can't in a taste. I don't really say no taste good, but I tell them some more breast and a beer bone them give me. Free me up with them beef for that what them do. Cause I don't know if a breast or what, but them give me one wing in a book. I don't know. I don't know. Like the man them give me tire and wing. And tricky youths there, but don't worry yourself, man. I'm not gonna face and I can't do meet again, but watch how go on, man. So, we're here with Stacey. Stacey, no, she stopped travel taxi. Come on here, so yeah, she look this up to the customer travel taxi. Yeah. You see that? Welcome to UTECH. UTECH, you're not seeing my face anymore. I wear myself. I'm come to my masters, I don't know. Yeah, UTECH I go and walk and I chill and I rub my head and I cross the road like my bad and them things there. I just go and hold it. So, I leave UTECH now, find out when I graduation and thing. We just want to wrap up the ventures. Bye bye. See you next time. Travel Adventures. We'll find out when I graduation and every little thing. So we just go and cut.